Hello everyone, my name is Dominic. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are unboxing all the goodies I have bought in Paris. It is a beautiful day here in London and I'm sitting in my garden sipping on some beautiful black tea as it is quite hot. Okay, let's get into it. First up, beautiful teas from Paris. About 7 years ago, I was in Paris and I bumped into this wonderful tea brand called Le Gien. I fell in love with the quality of their tea on the spot and have been drinking their tea since then. Please find its link at description section. I love their black Shangri-La and just simple afternoon tea. Highly recommend this brand if you are also a tea lover. Next up, drinks. This is natural and organic honey lemon ginger from a wonderful brand called Gien. This is actually a Belgian brand, so technically it's not made in Paris or France. Zero alcohol, but full of ginger goodness. You can have it as a hot or cold or simply just shots. Again, I will leave its link at description below. Next is one of the best organic olive oil of France. This beautiful bottle is from Maison Atana. Again, I will leave its link at the description below. They offer a number of different blends and all depends on the ripeness of the fruits. I always pick a bottle or two when I'm in Paris as I try to take olive oil shots every night. Hope you are enjoying this video so far. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Every little helps. Next wonderful item is from Gien. Actually, before reviewing this item, let me quickly show you how I end up picking this wonderful item.
Something inside you can choose and order to the artistic department, you know, and they decide if it's possible to apply or not. You know, it's a long process.
How long is the process?
I prefer to tell you at least between 6 and 8 months, you know, and you have to
6
order.
and 8 months.
Yeah, because you know you have to order at least.
Gien is one of the oldest French brands. It was founded back in 1821. It is still 100% made in France. You can find its link at description below. It is one of the perfect places you can come and pick up a little Paris souvenir.
Oui, je vais commander et puis on vous appelle.
Appelez, cher monsieur. C'est son énergie solaire qui l'électrise. Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
Monsieur, merci. À bientôt. On va tout de suite. À 18h.
Voila, it is this wonderful little teapot. This little colorful teapot is part of collaboration with this wonderful artist called Jean-Charles de Castelbajac. Anyways, I am actually a tea lady and has a good, interesting teapot collection. Would you like to see them? Finally, let's open those orange boxes. Those are Hermes hand soaps. I usually get some whenever in Paris as they usually have a lot more options. They are great additions to my bathroom as they usually smell wonderful. Also, I think it's a great gift idea. Next item is a gift, and I'm hoping she's not watching this unboxing. This is a A5 notebook in leather and silk. Every notebook is unique as they have unique silk pattern. I think it is great buy and I hope she's gonna love this notebook. Finally, this is a little bag. In fact, I have already used it once. I just put back into this box for this video. This is a little case. I'm pretty sure it's a small size and a perfect organizer. I have been looking for one to put it inside my carry-on bag. Although it is small size, it's actually pretty big. It can easily fit your passport, sunglasses, or just glasses, card holders, and a few other bits. It's almost like a camera bag without the strap. It is super light and basically all around carefree case. The price is actually very similar to the large one, but the large case, the shape is just a little awkward. Okay, do you like any of my purchases? Please feel free to let me know, leave a comment. And wherever you are, please take care of yourself and don't forget to ring your mom. Stay real, stay happy. I will see you at my next video. Bye bye for now.